let's code the banner ads for the screen. So I have already done a setup of my app. This is every time I make an app, I will do this. So there's nothing fancy here. I just import some screen managers and builders and labels, and there is a, you can see it is a simple, it is nothing, it is showing, it does nothing at this time. I will show you. So it is just a blank screen here, and it's a simple app. Okay, so what we will doing will, what we will do, oh, sorry for my bad English, sometimes I'm just getting nervous. We will be doing we will be placing an ad just in the bottom of the this screen. Okay, so let's code it. So for ads, you have to firstly make sure that you have import this from Kivmob. Import Kivmob test IDs rewarded listen ad interface. Okay, so let's code it. Firstly, we need to create an ads object for accessing the ads function. So let me create that. It's a global. I will make it global. So ads is like Kivmob, and here I will be using test IDs. So what does this test IDs do? Test IDs are the Google sample IDs which are on the web. You can also check them out. Just type Google sample ad units and test ads. You can see here. So these are the ad units which Google provide you for testing your ads. So these are already included in the Kivmob. So you can just test your ads with the sample ads. So, or if you are using your own ads, just replace this with your app ID which you have provided by AdMob. So just place here. Okay, I will be commenting it for you. Put your AdMob ID in case you want to put your own ads. Okay, so next thing is to do is to make a rewarded banner ad. So how we can do this? We just create an ad self. We use a function called self.ads.new banner here. This will take an unit ID or a banner ID. You can say your, again you can either use test IDs or you can use your own ad ID which is provided by a Google AdMob, like this. You got all these ad units by Google. You can replace them with test IDs in this video. So it will take first your unit ID, and then it will require the top post variable argument. So what top post is? Top post here is top post is by default it's true. It means that the ad will be placed on the top of the screen by default. If you do nothing here, it will be placed on top. But if you want to show your ad on the bottom of the screen, just to make it false. And that's it. You have created a banner now. So now you need to request a banner from the Google. So for this you just call the request banner function, and then we will show this self.ads.show banner. So now the banner will be shown. So that's it. So, and I'm calling it on build, and then I will hide it. So when I start my ad application, it will create and place an ad on the bottom. You cannot see the ads in now because I am using it on Windows. For seeing your ads, you need to um, package your application in APK format. So you can see here in the logs, not like Python logs, ads will not be shown because this is not a Android device, and you can see new banner request and a show banner called. It means we have successfully shown the banner. When you are running this app in your phone, it will automatically show the ad. Okay, so that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.